Okay, we are having this HP 840G3. This is an 840G3. Okay, this has been booked in for powering on with no display, right? And let's check it out together. So we plug it in, and it's taking 0.3, that is 0.13. There's a pre-charge current 0.5, 0.6. So it's charging, right? Good. So it's charging. Pressing the power button, and it comes on with 1.2.0 amperes. Power button is lighting up, and almost the right current. So it's charging and working pretty well. So we have no display, right? We have no display. Wait, I can see some ink spillage somewhere here. Looks like the screen is broken, but we have no display totally. Okay, caps lock. Wait, and caps lock is working. So this machine is actually on. This machine is actually on. Yeah. This problem looks like the screen. Looks like we're having a problem with the screen, not the motherboard. Okay. Let's open up the screen and see what's inside, right? Let's check what is or whether the screen is okay or not. The machine is actually turning on, so it should not be a problem with the board, but we might be wrong anyway. Or it could be a problem with the display cable. So remove the screen. Screen hasn't been tampered with before. Looks very clean. So before you remove this cable or do anything, you must make sure that the machine is off. And the best thing to do always is to disconnect the battery, because you're having 20 volts that is running. We're having 20 volts that is running, and that powers the screen. Okay, so just to be safe, just make sure you disconnect the battery. You risk shorting the screen, you risk shorting the display, and causing more harm or problems for a very easy solution. It's a lot of work, but yeah. So all the screws are out, and we remove the back case. There's a lot of dust here. Seems it has been. Wait, I can see some signs of liquid or moisture. Look at this. Look at all this. Look at all this. I think I think he uses the machine in a place where there's a lot of moisture or something spilled. You see, there was a spill inside, because he also complained about the motherboard not working. The keyboard not working. So I'll have to call her and tell her about that. Right. I've just done the call, and he has admitted that there was a spillage. Okay, fine. So we remove the battery. So now we are very safe to detach the screen. Right, let's look for another screen for testing. Okay, let me look for another screen. Okay, we got a test screen here. Let's connect it. And see if it's going to power on or not. Where is my power supply? Let's close it up to avoid any accidents. That is enough. All right. Connecting the charger in. It's taking pre-charge current. Power it on. The machine is coming on, and we have display. So this is a screen issue. Yeah, machine is coming on, so this is a screen issue. We'll just have to replace the screen for the client. Okay, let's wait for it to. I think it's restarting. It went off. Shut it off again. I think there's an error which came here about an ME problem. Error sending an ME, something of that kind. Power's on. And I need it to load Windows. Error sending end of post message to ME. Process. Okay, fine. Proceeding with boot. Okay, it's booting up. It's booting up. All right, and we have nice working picture. Okay, I think this was a pretty simple job. This was a pretty simple job. The machine is now working. Yeah, and we have nice display here. Okay, fine. the other issue to do with the keyboard, I'll check it out, and see you in the next video. Right.